Hey guys, welcome. I do intro. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Deep. This is the first time I'm coming across my video or my content. Consider hitting on my subscribe buttons. Guys, see my face. I'm reacting already. See. Everywhere, including my neck. That's to say it's time for you to pack and go, baby girl. So guys, this morning we have a lot of chores to do. We're cleaning the surrounding, then wash clothes as well, and do one or two things. So I just want you guys to stay hooked to this vlog. And I think I'm going to roast yam as well. I don't know, like they are roasting already, but I'm going to roast if they are not roasting. So guys, just stay hooked to this vlog and enjoy. If this is the first time I'm coming across my video, consider to hit on my subscribe button, as this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and vlog. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you guys. So work is already going on there and the rest of that, so let's just dive into this video with no further ado.
Is deeonojas.
Bush burning ongoing for proper sanitation, the clothes I want to wash, the environment, how beautiful it is, my baby girl Nene, my sister-in-law trying to clear the bush and whatnot. And here is my sister mopping the floor. Okay, so these are my clothes practically that I will be washing. And here is how beautiful this tree look, and the trees actually look tall, like tall. Anyways, this is the environment, guys. Hope you're enjoying my beautiful vlog. So guys, this is me trying to sort out the clothes and how I will start washing them. I don't know, I actually like sorting out my clothes before washing them. I like putting blacks together, putting this color together, putting this color together, except for the random colors I know, okay, they are good to go, then I wash them together, okay. So we are in the spirit of washing clothes because we are in the village. We have to walk, okay. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. If you're enjoying this vlog, please give me a massive thumbs up and drop me a comment. I will appreciate that so much. so special. This is me trying to like dash out the water I use in washing you get before I rinse, because going to that well to fetch water back and forth is actually not easy. So what I practically do was to finish my washing before I'll rinse them. Okay, so I'm trying to like throw my water away. Anyway, guys, I shall try for this village because I try to make them see that Kogi babes to their hand strong. You get, not like we'll be sitting down, they'll be doing everything for us. I don't want that. Okay, I don't want that. So I try to bring out my efforts. Okay, so now just train on the waters away, sha, as you already seen in the clip, or as you already seen in the video. Okay, and I know you are liking it. Okay, I know you are liking it. And here comes my sister. Okay, guys, so my sister literally joined me here to help me rinse the clothes so that I can be able to dry them one after the other, because she don't see my effort and she don't see this girl don't try, it's not easy. So literally here I have to mute this part, because in fact that's why I'm doing more of voiceover in most of my videos. Copyright song were flying everywhere, and the goal, right? The goal is not to get even one copyright. Okay, so I have to literally mute the song here, because I was already playing the worship also at the background of the, but just at the background. So instead of me to just post it like that and have issues, I better mute them. So, and here comes my sister-in-law trying to make sure everything is being set in place. Like this, my sister-in-law, she be strong lady, like very strong. I admire her strength a lot, sha. So I say my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law, sorry. Wahala. Here comes me coming to the backyard after washing and everything, after we were done drying, and I saw my sister. That's it. She said she want to tell these village people that say she know where before she come here. So oh, to do good. So but I was telling her, my dear, they shake, they shake, they shake. You know how you be, if they shake, you go no. And don't worry, after this clip, you're going to be seeing me displaying my levels. Ta-da! My yam. I don't know which of the video is coming up first, the one I ate yam or this one, but anyone, just enjoy. Guys, and here is me after the dance, after the work, after the stress, after everything. Oh boy, your girl was tired, and I was telling my sister it's time for me to go. In fact, I know they stay again. I won't go out. I won't go back Port Harcourt, okay? Because in fact, all my face have reacted, and I don't know, sharp. When I go to new place, I don't know why I easily react like that. And once I start reacting, it's just trying to tell me that, my dear, it's time for you to pack and go. You have overstayed. You're welcome. So you need to go, okay? So guys, this is me eating my fresh pear as well. Like, I dealt with this pear. Also getting the fact that the pear has been planted in that same compound, I really make sure that I come back fresh. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying sick, and I'll say bye. Thank you. Mwah.